Let's start learning.
Hello everyone. In this video we'll learn about fractions. Fractions describe equal parts of a whole. Look at this shape. The parts are not equal or the same. The parts are not fractions. Look at this shape. The parts are equal. Each part is the same. Each part is a fraction of the whole. We can use fractions to talk about how much of something we have or how much of something we need. Let's say we have a whole pizza and we cut it into equal parts, like this. We have 2 equal parts of the whole pizza. We have 2 halves. Each part is a fraction of the whole pizza. Each part is 1/2. 1/2 of a whole pizza. We usually write fractions using 2 numbers. There's a number on the top, a number on the bottom, and a line in between. The number on top is called the numerator. The number on the bottom is called the denominator. The numerator tells us how many parts we have. The denominator tells us how many total parts there are in the whole. The line between them is called the vinculum or the fraction bar. Let's look at our pizza again. The fraction 1/2 means that we have 1 part out of 2 total parts. There can be many different fractions. Numerators and denominators can be different. When we have a 2 as the denominator, we have halves. This is 1/2. When we have a 3 as the denominator, we have thirds. This is 1/3. When we have a 4 as the denominator, we have fourths. This is 1/4. A 5 as the denominator means fifths, and so on. This is 1/5. We can also have what are called mixed numbers. Mixed numbers are a whole number and a fraction. We can look at our pizzas again. Here are 2 pizzas and 1/2 of a pizza. The fraction for that is 2.5. 2.5 means that we have 2 whole pizzas and 1/2 pizzas. 2 and 1/2.
Let's review.
Let's review what we've learned about fractions. Fractions describe equal parts of a whole. We usually write fractions using 2 numbers. There's a number on the top, a number on the bottom, and a line in between. The number on top is called the numerator. The number on the bottom is called the denominator. The line between is usually called a fraction bar or line. The numerator tells us how many parts we have. The denominator tells us how many total parts there are in the whole. We can also have what are called mixed numbers. Mixed numbers have a whole number and a fraction with it. Nice work, everyone. Parents, teachers, and homework helpers, please be sure to subscribe and turn on those notifications. A like will really help the channel, so please give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for being here today. I look forward to seeing you again. Take care, and remember, it never hurts to be nice.